Good morning, students. I hope everyone are fine. Okay. So in last class, what we studied? We studied the representation of a rational numbers on the number line. How to represent that rational number on the number line we studied, and after that, how to find the rational number between a given two rational numbers. Even I given us some homework, right? How to find the rational number between some numbers. I given us some homework, that is a 5 or 6 homework I am given. I didn't remember that, but I hope everyone done your homework. Okay, so please be serious about your studies. I'm telling again and again this one because you are a lazy people. I know that. Okay, so please be serious about your studies, and whatever I am giving the homework, please do that one. Okay, at least whatever I am saying, please be thorough with that concepts. If you are not studying too much, then also it's okay, but whatever the things I told in this video, at least know that things. If I ask that things, you have to answer for that. Okay, only that much at least you study. Okay, so we'll start with the today, that is a let us practice exercise number 1.3. We'll start with the 1.3. 1.3. What is the given first question? Represent the following rational numbers on the number line. Represent the following rational numbers on the number line. You have to represent the rational numbers, following the rational numbers on the number line. Shall we do now? That is, I'll do first one and second one. After that, you have to do. I don't do all the problems here. They given here 4 problems. I'll do 2. First time 2. After that, third one and fourth one you have to do. Okay. So we'll begin with that. That is here. How many? That is a first one, right? Okay. In first one, they given here a 3 by 5. 3 by 5. What we have to do first to represent the rational number on the number line? What we have to do here? First we have to do the division, because we want a decimal number, right? Then only we can conclude the number is lies between two rational numbers. We found the two rational numbers, otherwise we can't decide, right? So divide that number, that is a 3 by 5 here. 5 6 point here, okay? 5 6 30, that is a 0.6. 0.6 is lies between which values? That is a 0 and 1, right? 0.6 lies between which numbers? 0 and 1. So draw the number line now. That is 3 by 5 is nothing but a 0.6. So draw one number line. Take a 0 and here 1 value. And in denominator which number is there? In denominator 5 number is there. So you have to divide here 5 equal parts including 1. Okay. So now I am doing that one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one 5. Okay. Now give the numbers. 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and this is something like 5 by 5 is equal to 1 here. Okay. So which number we want here? That is a 3 by 5. So put a box on that number. Okay. So this is the representation of a 3 by 5 on the number line. This is our number line and we represented 3 by 5 on this number line. The rational number represented on the number line. Like this we have to do. Okay, we'll go for the next one, second one. What is the second problem? 4 by minus 11, right? Yes. It is nothing but minus 1. So do the division. Here I do division. Okay. So 4 divided by 11 here. That is a point I give 0. 11 3s are 33. Next, here 10 minus 3 is nothing but 10 minus 3 is 7, 4 minus 4 0. For that I am taking again a 0. 11 6 66. That is continue. What is the decimal value? That is 0.36. 0.36 is nothing but a what? 0.3. After 0.3, so it will come. So it is lies between a which values? 0.36 is lies between a 0 and 1 only, right? So take a 0 and 1 only here. That is here 0 and here is a 1 value. Okay. So how many parts we have to do in the denominator? Number, sorry, it is a minus, right? Here minus is there, so it is also minus. So it is lies between a 0 and minus 1. The number is lies between a 0 and minus 1. So here we have to take and here we have to take a minus 1 because all the negative values come left side of a 0. Left side of a 0 all are the negative. If you take a right side of this 0 then all values are positive. So that's why I am taking here a minus 1 and here I am taking a 0. Got the difference everyone? Left side you can, if you take a left side then all the values are negative. If you take a right side here then all the values are positive. So that's why here negative is there. So it is lies between a 0 and minus 1. So that's why I am taking here 0 and here a minus 1. Got the difference? Okay. So next in the denominator which number is there? In the denominator 11 is there. So we have to make the 11 equal parts here. So we have to make a 11 equal parts. I'll make here with including this one. Okay. That is here this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we are not getting 10, 11. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10, right? So take 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So using a scale half of centimeter you have to put a mark on the number line and draw the lines. Here I am not using a scale and these are not equal parts. Okay. You have to use the scale and put the mark for a half of centimeters. Okay. Then you will get a equal parts. So here first number is start with the minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11, and this is nothing but a minus 11 by 11, that is equal to what here? Minus 1. Okay, 11 cancel, so minus 1 only we got here. The number is lies between the 0 and minus 1 and in the denominator 11 is there, so that's why we are making a 11 equal parts here. So which number they given here? Minus 4 by 11. Minus 4 by 11, where is minus 4 by 11? Here is it. So put a box on that. So that is our rational number on the number line. We represented a given rational number on the number line. So this is the way we have to do. Getting everyone? Okay. Next we'll go for the next one. I just third one and fourth one I told in which two numbers they are having. Okay. And after that you have to do this all the things. Okay. That is a third one. Third one and fourth one. See, do the division. 17 by 5. 5 2s are, sorry, 5 3s are 15. 2 carry, 5 4s are. No, 5 2s are 10. Sorry, 5 3s are 15. 2 carry and we'll take a point, right? So this is equal to a 3.4. And here 4 1s are 4. I'll do the division here. 19 by 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 carry. Next to take a zeros. Point. After that we'll take a 0. That is a 4 10s are. Okay. So that is a 4.10 like that will come. Okay. So if you multiply 4.10 with the 4, that is a 4, 0 and 4 is a 4 and 4 is a 8, 16 plus 8. 4 4 is a 16, here 3 and point, take a 0 here, 4 7 is a 28, 2, next 4 5 is a, so this will be a 7 5, okay. In the third problem, we are having a 17 by 5 is a 3.4 here, and here minus 19 by 4 is nothing but a 4.75. Getting here 17 by 5 means 3.4 and minus 19 by 4 means 4.75. It is lies between a which number? Sorry, here we are having a minus sign, right? Okay, it is lies between a which number? It is lies between the minus 4 to which number? See here, this is the number line here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4 and here minus 5, okay. So minus 4.75 is there. It is lies between the minus 4 to minus 5, lies between minus 4 to minus 5, okay. So you have to take here, and how many you have to make a part here, that is a 4. 4 parts you have to make, and whether in the numerator you are getting a 19 you are getting, no. So for that you have to do the like this, see here, that is a 19 by 4 is there, do the division, 19 by 4, 4 4s are 16 and 3 is there. So make a mixed fraction, that is the 4 integer 3 by 4, okay. 4 integer 3 by 4, that is a minus 4. Minus 4 is already is there. So next 3 by 4. Here you have to make a 4 parts, that is a minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 5 by 4. And we are getting here 3 by 4. So put the mark for the 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4. Okay. So minus 4 integer already it is there. Make a mixed fraction and do this here. Here only we are having a 4 equal parts, but in the numerator 19 is there. We can't do the 19 number, right? We can't get that one. In a 4 parts, whether we are getting a 19 number, no, we can't get that. So that's why we have to make that is a mixed fraction, and here we are getting a 3 by 4. Just you have to mark that a 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4 here. Okay. Next one here. 3.4. 3.4 is lies between which numbers? It is lies between the 3 and 4. Okay. It is also same. Here in the denominator 5 is there, so there will be a 5 equal parts. We can't get a 17 own number in the numerator, right? So that's why make the mixed fraction. 5. Divide with the 5. 5 3s are 50. Okay. This is equal to what? 3 integer 2 by 5. 3 integer 2 by 5. Convert the mixed fraction. Now take a number line here, and this is 3 and here 4. Make a how many equal parts? 5 equal parts. 1 2 3 4. This one is a 5. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, and here 5 by 5 is nothing but is equal to that one. Okay. So here 2 by 5 here. 3 integer already we are having here. Okay. So that is here 2 by 5. 3 integer 2 by 5 we have to represent like this. So next one is okay. Obtain the number minus 9 by 7, which is represented here by a, that is Rational number can be represented by a point on the number line. Yeah. Only this much we have to do. Okay. So next thing is we'll go for the next question. That is second main. Write any 5 rational numbers greater than the minus 2. Write any 5 rational number which are greater than the minus 2. Minus 2 greater than. Greater than the minus 2 you have to write any 5 rational number. Write all positive rational number. They are all the greater than the minus 2 only, right? Okay, and you take any positive number that will be greater than the negative values. So here they given a minus 2. Write any positive values, 5 numbers. Whichever you want, you can write. Okay, that are the example for the 5 rational number here. Okay, just I'll write here on the board. That is the second question. Second question. What they given? Write the rational number greater than the minus 2. Rational numbers are rational numbers are 4 by 5, 1 by 2, 4 by 8, 4 by 9, 5 by 6, 7 by 8. Write any number. Write any positive number you have to write. Okay, if you want to write a negative number, then write the minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, that is also greater than the minus 2. Okay, don't write a minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. That are all the lesser than the minus 2 values. Okay, so that's why they told write the greater numbers than the minus 2. So here write any positive numbers. Write any positive rational numbers here. So I give written here 5. Okay, if you want to change the here you can change the numbers. Okay, so next we'll go for the third main, that is find any 5 rational numbers between the 2 by 5 and 9 by 5. Find any 5 rational numbers between the 2 by 5 and 9 by 5. Okay. Third main, 2 by 5 and 9 by 5. Whether in between 2 and 9 there will be a 5 rational numbers are there. Check 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we'll get a 6. See, yeah, in the denominator both the values are same. Then we can't multiply anything here. Okay. So if the denominator value is different, then only we have to multiply here. Even in the case of if the denominator is same, but in the numerator value there will be a no difference, much more difference. Then also we have to multiply and find the rational number between those two. Here 2 and 9 there will be a 7 difference is there. So we can get a 5 rational number. There should be this numerator difference should be a greater than 5. Then only we will get a 5 rational numbers right in between those two. If there is no difference 5 is there, then we have to multiply with some numbers and we can take the difference that will be a greater than the 5. Then we can write all the rational numbers in between those two numbers. Okay. So here 2 by 5 and 9 by 5 is there. In the denominator first we have to check the denominator value. In the denominator already 5 and 5 is there, so both are same. Nothing to worry. Next we have to take the difference of a numerator. Difference of a numerator is 9 and 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. In 7 we get a 7 rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. But we want only 5. So no need to multiply anything here. Just write it directly whatever the rational number in between these two rational numbers. Okay. That is rational numbers is equal to rational numbers in between 2 by 5 and 9 by 5 are 5 rational numbers, right? 5 rational numbers. That is 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5. How many you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enough. They told write only 5. You written a 5. Okay, over. Next we'll go for the fourth question. That is the find any 10 rational numbers between the minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Fourth question. You have to find the they told to find the rational numbers between 10 rational numbers they asked, right? 10 rational numbers between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, you have to find the 10 rational number. See here also first you have to check the denominator. In the denominator both the value are same, so nothing to worry. Okay, next we have to take the difference of the numerator. I hope everyone know the meaning of a difference. What is the meaning of difference here? Difference is nothing but a subtraction. Okay, it will come at a second standard only. So difference is nothing but you have to take the subtraction here. You have to do the subtraction problem. So 1 and minus 1, if you subtract those two, you will get a 0 only. But we want a more than 10. Difference we want a more than 10. Then only we will get a 10 rational numbers, right? Otherwise we can't get. So for that I am multiplying with the some values here. That is minus 1 by 3 into 10 by 10. Next 1 by 3 into 10 by 10. Whatever the value you are multiplying, you have to multiply with the numerator as well as the denominator. Here also with the numerator as well as the denominator. We can't change that one. Here 5 and here 6. We can't do like that. Okay. Whatever the value you are multiplying, take a 10 or take a, after that, take a bigger number here. Then only we will get a 10 rational numbers. Okay. If you want a more rational number, then you have to multiply with the bigger numbers only. Otherwise, you will get only 2 or a 3, 4, 5 rational numbers. If you multiply with the bigger numbers, then you will get a more rational number here. So here multiplying with the 10 by 10 and here 10 by 10. Okay. So whatever the value here multiplying, that only you have to multiply other rational number also. And here 9 by 9 and here 10 by 10. Don't do like that. Whatever the value you are multiplying for first rational number, that only you have to multiply for the second rational number also. So here minus 10 by 30 and here it is the 10 by 30 value. So we get the minus 10 by 30 and here 10 by 30. Right? Middle is a 0. Here 0 to 10 numbers are there. Here 0 to minus 10 is there. So in between minus 10 to 10. On the number line, see here, this is our number line. And here minus 10, here 10 is there. And in between 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 like that up to 10. And here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 like that up to minus 10. So in between minus 10 to 10, there will be a many numbers are there. So you can write a more than 10 rational numbers here, right? So write a 10 rational numbers. You have to observe the numerator value first. Minus 10 to 10. Minus 10 to 10, there will be a many numbers are there. You can write a many rational numbers here. So write that one after this one. Okay. Rational numbers are minus 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10 and 3 by 10, 2 by 10, next 3, 4 by 10 or 5 by 10. Okay. Next take a 6 by 10, 7 by 10, minus 2 by 10. Otherwise write the same thing. Whatever the values you are writing, that you have to write the positive value. Minus 5 by 10 and 5 by 10. Next minus 4 by 10 and here 4 by 10. Next minus 3 by 10 and here 3 by 10. Minus 2 by 10 and 2 by 10. Minus 1 by 10. Here 1 by 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. So here these are the 10 rational number in between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. In between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Like that we have to do. If the first we have to do check the denominator value. After we have to check take the difference of a numerator value. If there will be a difference not more than 10. How many numbers they asked here, that we have to take. That difference should be greater than this number. Okay, here they given a 10, so that's why we want a difference greater than the 10. But here not getting a greater than the 10, so that's why I am multiplying with some values, that is a 10 by 10, 10 by 10. You can multiply with 11 by 11, 12 by 12. If you want to do, then you can do. Okay, there will be no problem for that. So here I am multiplying a 10 by 10, 10 by 10, and minus 10 to 10. Minus 10 to 10, there will be so many numbers are there, right? So just take that numbers in the numerator and write the rational number. So these are the rational numbers lies between the minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Getting everyone? Okay. So we'll go for the next fifth one. Now fifth main, that is find the 10 rational numbers between the minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Fifth main, rational numbers between the minus 5 by 2 and 1 by 2. Again here also they told to write the 10 rational number. First in the denominator there will be a 2 and here also 2. So both are same, nothing to worry. Next you have to check the difference of this minus 5 and 1. What is the difference here? You will get a 6. So we want a more than 10. So here not getting a more than 10. So again we have to do the multiplication for those two rational numbers. That is minus 5 by 2 into, we'll take a 10 by 10. Or else take a 9 by 9. Okay, here. Here minus 45, 9 into 5 and here 18. Next 1 by 2 into 9 by 9. Here 9 by 18. Observe the numerator value. Here 9 is there, here minus 45 is there. And you know the number line, right? And middle value will be 0 and here we are having a 9 and here we are having a minus 45. 0 to minus 45 and 0 to 9. So many numbers are lies between a minus 45 to 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on, minus 45. Up to minus 45, we are having on the number line here. So minus 45 to 9, there will be so many numbers are there. Take any number in the numerator and just write the rational numbers here. Okay, so that is rational numbers are they told to write a 10 rational number. So just write whatever the numbers you want. 7 by 18, 8 by 18, 6 by 18, 5 by 18, 3 by 18, 2 by 18, 1 by 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Next minus 1 by 18, minus 2 by 18. Okay, we written a 10, I hope. 6, 9, okay, one more we have to write. Minus 3 by 18. Okay, if you want to write the here minus values, then you can write those also correctly. Okay, so these are the 10 rational numbers lies between the minus 5 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, so 1.3 starting with the first main up to fifth main, do it in a HW. That is a homework for you. Twice you have to do, not once, twice. Twice means 2 times you have to write that first main to fifth main in a HW. We will solve, that is a 6th and 7th and 8th one in the next class. Okay. So I hope everyone know the homework also. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you everyone.